I'm a computer user, and I'm using two languages for typing on my keyboard, English and French. And I always come across a common problem. The problem is, I often start typing a sentence, only to realize halfway through that I'm using the wrong layout. That means I have to retype the entire sentence again, this time with the correct keyboard language. For instance, I'll try to type a simple sentence meant to be in English, but of course for now, I'll use the wrong language just for demonstration. The sentence is, "Hello guys, today we're going to make a new video." Very simple. As you can see, some words are not understandable at all. So of course, I went searching to solve this problem. I dug for a whole week. Until I found AutoHotkey. It's a free piece of software that lets you create custom keyboard shortcuts for literally anything. Let's read this. Keybinds. Define hotkeys for the mouse and keyboard, remap keys or buttons, and autocorrect-like replacements. Creating simple hotkeys has never been easier. You can do it in just a few lines or less. What is AutoHotkey? AutoHotkey is a free, open-source scripting language for Windows that allows users to easily create small to complex scripts for all kinds of tasks, such as form fillers, auto-clicking, macros, etc. Interesting. Okay, let's see what we actually want to do on the drawing board. We just typed some sentence. Keep in mind, with the wrong language. Let's draw wrong. I'm sure that this is not W and R. Now it is. Perfect. Okay, we want to select that text. Actually, let's make that color blue, indicating a selection. Then we hit shortcut buttons on my keyboard, and that text in place gets converted to the right language. Okay, where do we learn this programming language? Here it is, the documentation. Let's select the latest version, version 2. I'm not gonna read this. Let's go to the professor, ChatGPT. Okay, I'm trying to make a new script that is based on AutoHotkey scripting language, and I want it to, when selecting some sort of sentences, then hitting a specific shortcut, transform the whole text into English or French, toggling with the same shortcut. I want to map all keys of them, and then based on the mapping, transform the characters between them. For some reason, our AI made it in version 1. Let's tell him to use version 2. Let's copy it. So, simply after installing the software, just open it, and then click New Script. Let's call it Keyboard, and then open it in any text editor. We'll just paste that, and we just run it. There is an error. Let's copy it, and send it back to the AI. I think ChatGPT can't do the task himself. I asked Claude the same question, but it took some time to make him understand what I actually want. I'm at the end, rephrased my prompt with examples. Claude opened my mind on things called keyboard layouts. The most common keyboard layout is QWERTY. This is the English version of my keyboard. The French layout uses the AZERT. So basically, I need to map each character on each layout of them and just switch between them. After some edits between me and Claude, we finally got the final solution. Let's test it. We made it, guys.